Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a post on Instagram. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. Below, you'll see 5 icons. Here, you click on the last icon with your profile picture. Here, you click on the plus sign above. Depending on the kind of post you want to create, let's say you want to create just a normal photo. You click on post and then you select the photo of your choice. Let's say I want to post this. Here you click on next, which is at the top right. Here you can select any filter of your choice, but I'll be going with the original one. Here you click on next again, and then you write any caption of your choice. You can also tag people, add location, add music, or post to other Instagram accounts here. So here at the top right, you click on your share, and then your video will be uploaded on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.